Hey folks, Dale here. Just wanted to give you a little update on the snowstorm. 12/17/2020 here in central PA. I guess this is why we prepare for things like this. You can check out my video I posted yesterday if you want to see the beginning of the storm. We had yesterday around noon we had no snow. You could see the grass. I think I'd say we probably got 14-15 inches last night, and it's cold out right now, about 22 degrees. So I'll probably stay in the house for a couple days anyway. I'm not going anywhere. Hardly any traffic out. Roads are covered. Snow plows have everything blocked in. But just a short video, show you my update. It's the sun's out now, so hopefully we get a little warmer temperatures and melt some of this off. All right then. Hope you're all doing well. Dale out.